You stick your key in the ignition, turn it, and nothing happens. Maybe you see a flashing security light on your dashboard that you have never noticed before. That is the frustrating world of the P0648 trouble code. This code specifically points to an issue with the Immobilizer lamp control circuit. The Immobilizer system is your car's anti-theft bodyguard. It uses a transponder chip inside your key or fob to communicate with the car's computer. When they recognize each other, the car starts. The lamp on your dashboard is there to tell you if that handshake failed or if the system is armed. When the powertrain control module, or PCM, cannot control that warning lamp properly or detects a voltage problem in that circuit, it triggers this code. While it sounds like just a light bulb issue, the severity is actually quite high because it is often accompanied by a system lockout, meaning your car becomes a heavy paperweight in your driveway. Symptoms usually include that no start condition, the immobilizer lamp not working at all, or the lamp staying on permanently. When you are troubleshooting this, you want to start with the easiest variable, which is the key itself. Sometimes a dead battery in your key fob or a damaged key is the root cause. If you have a spare key, try that first. If the code persists, you need to grab your digital volt-ohmmeter and some wiring diagrams for your specific make and model. You are looking for technical service bulletins that match your symptoms, as this is a common issue on many cars. If no bulletins exist, you need to check the fuse for the security system. If the fuse is good, you have to check the bulb itself. It sounds silly, but if the bulb in the dash is burnt out, the circuit is open and the computer might panic. If the bulb and fuses are fine, you're moving on to wiring. You need to inspect the harness connectors for corrosion or loose pins. Check for battery voltage on the lamp circuit and verify that the grounds are solid. Bad grounds are the silent killers of automotive electronics. If you have confirmed that the wiring is perfect, the bulb is good, and the power is flowing, you might be dealing with a PCM failure or a programming error in the immobilizer module. Just like other internal control codes, replacing the controller requires reprogramming to make it talk to your keys again. It is a complex system, but by methodically checking the basics like bulbs, fuses, and keys first, you can often save yourself from an expensive trip to the dealership.